our most sought after pre-owned units. This is a mineral metallic 2017 YUKON Denali Ultimate, fully loaded. As you see, you've got the chrome Denali grille. If you come around here, see it does have the chrome 22-inch snowflake wheels on it. Original Dueler Bridgestone tires, which make for really good ride quality. It has the automatic running boards that'll flip out when you open your door. Of course, a nice plush leather interior. Got heated and cooled seats up front. Navigation, heads-up display on your windshield. It has all the safety features, including blindside alert, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, as well as many more. Wireless phone charging. If you look in the back here, you got your captain chairs. Also heated rear entertainment system. You can play DVD, Blu-ray. Your third row seating is all electric. So you simply come right here, and you can let your rear seats up and down. You can also collapse the middle row seats electrically. Your power lift gate is electric as well. Just press this button, it closes right up. We got this thing at a really good price point at $47,900. They're hard to find right now. Y'all can see it at Buick GMC and ask for Brandon.